Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video I am going to be decorating my kitchen for winter, and it's going to be like a gingerbread theme. If you are new here and you like home decor, decorating, homemaking, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm slowly but surely working my way up. I think as of this video I'm 560 something subscribers, so slow and steady wins the race. All right, let's get started. Blocking is coming off everywhere. I know you can't really see the lights, but I think it looks pretty cute. I'm crossing my fingers, hoping that that wreath will stay up there. If it falls again, I'll end up putting it on my pantry door. Nice. Look at that. I had to get it. So cute. Aren't they the cutest little couple? Lights up too. Sure if I'm gonna leave it like that. We'll see. Okay, let's move on. I think I want to decorate this gold tray here. bad. Okay, I actually like that better. Okay, that was completely unexpected, but it came out so cute. I cannot believe it. My gingerbread man is riding the reindeer. So cute, I love it. Okay, let's move on to over here. Tier tray. I found some of the stuff that I had bought for the tier tray. I couldn't find earlier, but I found them. So let's try and see if we can add this to make it look a little cuter. These are like the most adorable little s'mores with the bow at the top. Here's a gingerbread cookie. Okay, that is a way cuter than it was before, but I think I'm gonna move this sign right here. I'm not feeling it right there.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
I have these bows that I want to put on the back of these bar stools, so I'm just trying to figure out how to attach them.
But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Alright my friends, well that is all I have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and definitely let me know down below what your favorite area of the kitchen is. Mine would definitely be my island like centerpiece. I think it's super cute and creative. So we'll see you guys back here soon for more videos. Bye.